Heat in India is a given, but now with climate change, it is hotter than ever, with those who are most vulnerable being the most affected. Their quality of life is being impacted, health is being impacted, and their economic productivity is also being impacted. My name is Bijal Brahmbhatt, and I am the director of Mahila Housing Trust. An organization in India that empowers women to tackle heat stress. These women spend more time at home. They are the most at risk from this problem. Their houses are essentially dark, without any ventilation, no access to water and sanitation, and prone to waterlogging. Now, this is the life of a poor woman in slum. They use their house as their workplace, their go down, their storehouse, and so cooling is essential to enable them to earn a living. Through our work, 125,000 men and women in 27,000 households across India are trained in climate stress and climate resilient solutions. They have been adopting these new technologies, where we have seen significant results across thousands of homes with temperatures reducing by 2 to 6 degrees. We work with women-led community action groups across 1,066 slum settlements in India to test sustainable cooling technologies and introduce cooling systems like cool roofs and shading devices. This is the path forward. There is an intergenerational aspect too. Women are caregivers. If they will be empowered, so will their children be empowered. If we bring change, it will transcend beyond them.